Imagine this. You finally land that big client. They're ready to sign. But when it comes time to pay your suppliers, cover payroll, or handle an unexpected expense, your cash flow feels like a desert. This is where a business line of credit could save you. And today, I am going to explain it in a way so simple that even if this is your first time hearing the term, you will walk away knowing exactly how it works, why it matters, and how it could make or break your business journey. Stick around, because later in this video, I'll reveal a powerful way smart entrepreneurs use a line of credit that most beginners overlook. And trust me, once you hear it, you won't forget it. Number 1. What exactly is a business line of credit? Think of it as a safety net for your business. It's not a lump sum loan where the bank gives you money up front and you pay it back over time. Instead, it works like a credit card for your company. The bank gives you access to a pool of money, let's say $50,000. You don't have to use it all at once. You borrow only what you need when you need it. And here's the best part. You only pay interest on the amount you actually use, not the full limit. For example, if you get approved for $50,000 but only use $10,000 to buy inventory, your interest is calculated on that $10,000, not the full $50,000. Number 2, why would a business even need one? Businesses don't always have steady cash flow. Maybe your customers pay you 30 days after you deliver your product, but you need to pay your suppliers up front. That gap could crush you. A line of credit fills that gap. It's like a bridge between money going out and money coming in. Imagine you own a small bakery. You just got an order to bake 200 wedding cakes for an event company. Exciting, right? But you need flour, sugar, and staff hours now. Your client won't pay until delivery. Without a line of credit, you might have to turn down the deal. With it, you can buy supplies today, fulfill the order, get paid, and then pay back the credit. Number 3, how is it different from a loan? A loan is like buying a car. You know exactly how much money you're getting up front, and you start paying it back in fixed monthly payments. A line of credit is more like a gas tank you can keep refilling. You don't have to take it all at once. You use it, pay it down, and use it again. For example, let's say you take out a loan of $30,000 for equipment. Whether you use it all in 1 week or stretch it over months, you start repaying it with interest right away. With a line of credit, you can borrow $5,000 this week, pay it back, then borrow $7,000 3 months later, and so on. That flexibility is what makes it powerful. Number 4, types of business lines of credit. There are 2 main types, secured and unsecured. A secured line of credit requires collateral, like equipment, real estate, or even inventory. If you can't pay back, the bank can take that asset. Because the risk is lower for the lender, interest rates are usually lower. An unsecured line of credit doesn't require collateral. It's based on your creditworthiness and business history. The risk is higher for the lender, so interest rates are higher. But for a small business without many assets, this might be the only option. Example, a landscaping business with trucks and equipment might secure a line of credit against those vehicles. Meanwhile, a brand new online marketing agency with no physical assets might get an unsecured line based purely on the owner's credit score. Number 5, how to qualify for one. Banks want to know, can you pay them back? They look at your personal and business credit scores, your revenue, and your time in business. Generally, the longer you've been operating and the more consistent your income, the better your chances. But don't panic if you're just starting out. Some lenders, especially online ones, cater to newer businesses. They might ask for higher interest but can still give you that crucial access to funds. Example, if your business has been operating for 2 years, earns $100,000 annually, and you have a personal credit score of 680 or higher, you have a decent chance at approval. Number 6, how do you actually use it? Once approved, you'll usually access your line of credit through checks, a card, or online transfers. It works almost like having another checking account. Need to cover payroll? Transfer from the line of credit. Need to pay suppliers? Write a check. Example, let's say your monthly payroll is $20,000 and a late-paying client still owes you $25,000. Instead of stressing or delaying paychecks, you draw $20,000 from your line, cover payroll, and repay the line as soon as the client pays you. Number 7. The cost of borrowing. This is where beginners need to pay attention. A line of credit isn't free money. The bank charges interest, often variable, meaning it can change. On top of that, there might be annual fees or even maintenance fees for keeping the line open. Example, suppose your interest rate is 10%. If you borrow $10,000 for 3 months, you'll pay about $250 in interest. If you don't pay it off quickly, that number grows. And remember, even if you don't borrow, some banks charge a small fee just for having the line available. Number 8. Smart ways entrepreneurs use it. Here's where we get into the good stuff. The smartest entrepreneurs don't use lines of credit for vacations or fancy office furniture. They use them for short-term needs that generate more money. Example, imagine a clothing shop uses its line to buy discounted wholesale merchandise before the holiday rush. They spend $15,000, sell the clothes for $40,000, and pay back the line quickly. The profit more than covers the cost of borrowing. That's the secret most beginners miss. Use the line as a tool for growth, not survival. Number 9. The dangers and mistakes to avoid. Now, here's the flip side. A line of credit can trap you if misused. Constantly borrowing without a repayment plan can spiral into debt you can't escape. Example, a restaurant owner uses the line to cover daily operating expenses every single month without increasing revenue. Soon, they're maxed out, paying interest, and the line becomes a burden instead of a lifeline. So, golden rule, borrow with a plan. Always know how you'll repay before you draw. Number 10. Business line of credit versus credit cards. People often ask, why not just use a business credit card? Good question. Both let you borrow up to a limit and repay over time. But credit cards often have higher interest rates. Lines of credit usually have lower rates and higher limits. Example, your business card might give you $10,000 at 18% interest. A line of credit could give you $50,000 at 10% interest. Which would you rather pay back? Of course, cards often come with perks like rewards and cashback, which lines don't. Smart businesses sometimes use both strategically. Number 11. Where to get one? Traditional banks are the most common source. They offer stability and usually lower rates, but approval can be strict. Online lenders, on the other hand, may be faster and more flexible, but with higher interest. Example, a bank might take 3 weeks to approve a $30,000 line with a 9% interest rate. An online lender might approve you in 48 hours, but charge 15%. It depends on your urgency and financial health. Number 12. The hidden benefit most beginners miss. This is the loop I promised at the start. A business line of credit, when used wisely, doesn't just solve cash flow problems. It can actually build your business credit profile. Each time you borrow and repay responsibly, you show lenders that your business is reliable. Over time, this can unlock bigger loans, better interest rates, and even investor trust. It's like laying bricks for your financial foundation. Example, a small graphic design agency uses a $20,000 line responsibly for 2 years, always paying on time. Later, when they want a $200,000 loan to expand, the bank says yes because of that proven history. Number 13. Seasonal cash flow lifeline. Many businesses are seasonal. A landscaping company might make most of its money in spring and summer, but still needs to pay bills in the winter. A line of credit keeps the business alive during slow months without shutting down. Example, a toy store borrows $25,000 in September to stock up for the holiday season. By January, after holiday sales, they pay it back in full. Without that line, they couldn't have stocked inventory early enough to meet demand. Number 14. Emergency backup plan. Unexpected expenses happen in business. Equipment breaks down, a big client cancels, or new regulations require changes. Instead of panicking, a line of credit can cover those surprises. Example, a printing company's main machine breaks. Repair costs $8,000. The line of credit allows them to fix it immediately, avoiding delays that could lose customers. Number 15. Helps build trust with suppliers. Paying suppliers on time is crucial for relationships. If cash is tight, a line of credit ensures you never miss a payment. Over time, This builds credibility. Example, a catering company uses its line to pay a food supplier early. That supplier later rewards them with discounts and priority service, giving the caterer a competitive edge. Number 16. Flexible repayment terms. Unlike loans with strict repayment schedules, lines of credit often give you freedom. You can repay early without penalty or pay minimum interest until more cash flows in. Example, an e-commerce business borrows $10,000 to launch ads. Within a month, sales double, and they repay early, saving money on interest. Number 17. Opportunity to test new ideas. Sometimes you want to try a new product or service, but don't want to risk all your savings. A line of credit can give you the flexibility to test without draining your reserves. Example, a coffee shop borrows $5,000 from its line to start selling baked goods. The items sell well, creating a new revenue stream. If it failed, the risk was controlled. Number 18. Acts as a safety net for payroll. Nothing damages employee morale faster than late paychecks. A line of credit ensures payroll is always covered, even if cash flow hits a bump. Example, a marketing agency borrows $15,000 to pay staff during a slow quarter. Once a big client pays their invoice, the line is repaid. Staff never knew there was a struggle. Number 19. Quick access compared to loans. Loans can take weeks or even months to process. A line of credit, once approved, gives you immediate access anytime you need it. Example, a construction company lands a last-minute project. They need $20,000 right away for materials. With a line already open, they transfer the funds the same day and start work. Number 20. Peace of mind for business owners. Sometimes, the biggest benefit isn't the money itself, but the confidence it gives. Knowing you have a financial cushion reduces stress and lets you focus on growth. Example, a small boutique owner doesn't touch her line for months. But just knowing $30,000 is available at any time helps her sleep at night, even during uncertain times. Every business owner eventually faces the same question. When cash flow is tight, do you have to say no to opportunity, or do you have a tool ready to help you say yes? That's what a business line of credit really is. Not free money, not a crutch, but a flexible tool to grow if you respect it. So what about you? If you had a business line of credit today, would you use it to cover emergencies, or would you use it to grab opportunities before anyone else?